Okay, you should have completed the Desmos activity first before you look at this, so you should already have an idea what each one of these does. A tells you the slope. If A is negative, it's going to open down. H tells you a translation. This H tells you a translation in the X direction. So it's a translation this way. And notice here that it's minus H. So I always have to flip the sign to get the H. And then if H is positive, it's on the positive side. And if it's negative, it's on the negative side. But remember, that's after I've switched the sign here. K tells me a translation up or down. Positive up, negative down. HK, notice this is swapped. I took the opposite sign. It's going to tell me the location of the vertex. The domain of any absolute value is going to be all real numbers. And that's going to be negative infinity to infinity. And the range is going to depend on the A. If A is positive, it's going to be wherever the vertex is going up. So Y is going to be greater than my K value. Or to put it in interval notation, it's going to go from K to positive infinity because it's going to go up. If A is negative, it's going to be, the vertex is going to look like this with the vertex at the top, and it's going to go down. So it's going to be where Y is less than K, and it's going to be from negative infinity at the bottom up to K. So let's look at what this would look like on these two equations here. So this is my vertex. And what do we say the vertex was? The vertex is H and K. And my slope, whatever A is, tells me my slope here, rise over run of this part of the line equals A. Here, my vertex is H and K. And my slope here, which I could do anywhere on this line, rise over run, is going to equal A. Notice that this one's going down, that's why A is negative.